Hey you guys, it's your girl Amber Sherelle and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do a quick weave bob on my client. We started her hair already. We shampooed it and conditioned and now we are on to the moisturizing part. A lot of people don't feel like this part is important. Whenever you are getting a quote unquote protective style, a style where your hair is going to be up for a long period of time, your hair has got to have something not too heavy, but something that will last on your hair while it's up for 2 weeks to 2 months. So I like to use that twist defining cream by As I Am. You can get it from Sally's. I'm sure you can get it online. You can probably go to their website. A lot of some people don't believe that this is a very important step in protective styling, and I'm just here to tell you right now that it is. Now, if you don't like the twist defining cream, there is another cream that they have, and it's called, dang, I just went blank. I think it's called like curl pudding. Well, I'm gonna leave it down in the description box below so that you can get it if you want to. That is a lighter version of it, but it's still very moisturizing. Okay, so now I am greasing her scalp. She has a lot of, like, she gets very, very dry scalp while her hair is up. Even when it's not up, she just gets dry scalp. So I do use sulfur 8. It is medicated. It does stink, but it works. Okay. So I'm just braiding it down. These are not going to be some super fancy braids from the braid shop. We just braid it up. She doesn't keep her hair up for long, so these braids will do for at least 2 weeks. Okay, so now that I'm done braiding, I just got a rubber band and I took it across all those braids and I flipped it underneath. It's just so much easier than trying to sew it down because she takes this down herself and she doesn't have help at home. So, yeah. Now I'm using a cap, and I think I just used one cap. So I make sure that it's placed on her head. I get the 30-second glue and I go all the way around. I am using the Silverbird blow dryer and some Pump It Up from Sally's. The blow dryer came from Sally's. It's like $47, I think, if you are not a pro member. But this is one of the best blow dryers that I have ever used in my life. It is heavy, but it is one of the best. This hair is some hair. It's not very expensive. I think that pack was like $15, $20, something like that, but it definitely got the job done and I love the way it curled. Okay, so disclaimer. So I was gonna do a pronto, and what the pronto is you sew it, and then like if you need to glue some little pieces, you can. But the plan was to sew this and just not do like small stitches, but do big stitches and get done faster. My hand started hurting, so I only sewed like half of it in, and then I glued the rest. But it was still cute though. But yeah. I just wanted to give y'all that disclaimer before you get to the end of the video and be like, but girl, wasn't you just sewing? I was, but my hand started hurting.